still in my outfit from doing the pink contest, but we're doing a blue contest this time. Okay, so let's set the timer. We're gonna do 15 minutes. Oh wait, no. Oh, sorry. I meant we were doing a... Yeah, no, let's just do a blue contest. 15 minutes. We're gonna do shorter and shorter. Okay, changing room. Get changed. Get changed. Okay. We're doing blue. Blue, blue, blue. What can I dress as blue? I have a lot of things that are blue. Now that I think about it, or now that I see it. That's pretty not appropriate for summer. Works. Wait, now let's see what the rest of the dress is. I have a wedding dress. I have a wedding dress. Where's my wedding dress? Okay, I know where my wedding dress is. This does not count as cheating because the blue... Is that white? Ah, it's white. Okay, there. Okay. Okay, I just want to wear my wedding dress. But, alright, let's do this. Blue, 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 blue. The only dress that looks blue is that one. Besides the lace-up dress. Okay, what's a blue hat that I have that actually looks good on me? A bridal veil. That looks the same blue. There's also this. That looks Indian. Oh, those are cute, sort of, I guess. Okay, that's blue. Those are blue, but those are prettier. I don't have a blue bag. What do I do when I don't have something that's blue? I guess just not do that column. Okay, I did it. I know I'm not fully dressed, but I dressed on the thing. Alright, I did it. See you guys next time.